What up everybody, Arie here. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Now in today's video, what I want to do is gather a bunch of really unique product ideas to potentially start a Shopify business around. So hopefully we can find some of these products available to dropship, but really what I'm mainly looking for here is ideas, right? And not just ideas on the specific products in particular, but also marketing angles and video structure in general. So how we're going to be finding these products is actually pretty interesting if you ask me. It may not be interesting to you, but I think it's pretty crazy. So we're going to be finding these products using the hashtag TikTok made me buy it. Now, why are we doing that? Well, basically because in my opinion, TikTok right now is one of the best opportunities for businesses and brands in general. And a lot of big businesses are taking advantage of it. I see it every day. These brands are commenting on, popular TikTokers videos. They're creating their own content. They're running ads. They're totally killing it on TikTok. And the thing about TikTok is people are super creative on there. So you can really get some great ideas, not only for products to sell, but for ads to make. And again, I said this in my last video, but I really don't think there's such thing as too many ideas for ads to make. There's no such thing as too much content. Like that's literally what most businesses lack the most. So I guess let me put this over here, maybe in this corner. Actually, I guess this corner is probably better. And we'll just kind of browse around now. I've done these videos before, so I know that some of these I've already seen before, like this one in particular. This product was really dope. I guess I'll show you quick.
Magnetic pieces that keep. I bought it so you don't have to part one. TikTok has shown me this thing on my FYP a couple of times, so naturally I had to buy it.
It's a pretty cool charger.
People with little magnetic pieces that keep everything nice and neat. Okay, the actually crazy part about this is that the tip is magnetic as well, and it comes with interchangeable pieces, so you could use it for an iPhone or an Android. Not gonna lie, I really like this one.
Yeah, this is a really sick product. And what's crazy to me is that this video right here of this lady just sort of reviewing this product has 37 million views. Literally 37 million views. Now, to get 37 million views on Facebook is going to cost you at least $20, maybe $50,000. And, this is organic. So this is for 100% free. And this is what I'm talking about when I say that I think it's extremely powerful, the power of TikTok. Now, here's another one that I've never seen, so let's check it out. Whoa. Home Plus. Okay, so I guess it's just a magnetic stirring cup. And this looks like it's from Creative Ideas for Home and Living. So this looks like a dropshipping store right here. Right away I can see. But they have 500K followers. So imagine a general store on TikTok that has 500K followers. Like you actually can grow a community on TikTok, which is what I really love about it. On Instagram, I'm not going to lie, it's becoming increasingly difficult to reach more people. Whereas on TikTok, I'm sure it's the same case, but it's still in its early stages in my opinion. So wow, this was a really interesting product, a magnetic stirring cup, and people are absolutely loving it. So this video right here has 17 million views. And what I think it's cool is how simple of a video it is too. Like it really doesn't take that much to go viral as long as you're kind of intentional with the way that you showcase your product. And I would say that these people are very intentional and they're going viral because of it. Whoa. Damn, that was actually a really cool table. This is a winning product right here, guys. I mean, this is so unique. This is eye-catching. This is just ticks all the boxes. I mean, the only thing that I hate about it personally is how big it is. I mean, that's definitely bound to cause some shipping issues. I'm telling you from experience, things that are big don't really ship well. But nevertheless, that would allow you to kind of have some competitive advantage if you are willing to tackle that challenge. So yeah, I think this is definitely a viable one right here. This one's super cool, and it has 4.9 million views, and it's from July, so not that old, I guess. Let's take a look at this one. So it's a little mood light humidifier. So this is another big trend, I think, is humidifiers. I think humidifiers are, more people want to use them for sleeping and stuff like that. So if you can find unique ones like this one, I think you definitely have some sort of competitive advantage there. Me pulling up anywhere with these on, they add up to 4 inches. You can cut into your shoe size. Tag your short friends. Dude, that's so funny. Man, that's crazy. This video right here literally has 4.8 million views. So this is actually a good product because it hits on a pain point that a lot of people experience, which is not feeling like you're tall enough. I guess maybe it would be nice to make people feel better about their height, but ultimately, yeah, I mean, this type of stuff sells really well. I wouldn't really be very passionate about a business like this, but it is a unique product nevertheless. So I guess we'll add it to the video. Let's see this one. Restart it. So TikTok made me buy it. It is a, what even is that? I have no idea what that is. Oh, it's a dash cam from Amazon. Dude, that's super cool. And you can put it on your rear view mirror, and it's actually like a dash cam. So, and 130 bucks on Amazon, this would be a really unique product to sell. And I think you could actually have a bunch of different angles that you use for it, but it's just a cool product. And even just like simple video like this has gone viral. And you could find your own manufacturer and hopefully sell it for even more money if you can make a better one. So that's a good high ticket product idea right there. Let's see this one.
Through TikTok and she sees these. So my cat Willow was strolling through TikTok and she sees these because another cat has them. So now she thinks she needs them also. So she's like, Mama, I need you to order these. And I said, Willow, I'm not ordering those. And she said, Woman, you're going to order these because I need them. And I said, I'm not going to order them. So anyway, they came in today. And as you see,
This is an interesting ad.
prepare them. Well, her chunky self is laying on my bed waiting to be served like a queen. Is it ready? Yes, come on.
This is such a good ad though, honestly, low key. Interesting. Wow, what a what a weird product and what a weird ad. But this type of stuff works. This has over 800,000 likes, 7.1 million views. Wow, and only in like a couple months, not even a couple months. And again, this is like fully organic, so that's a really good product idea right there. It's kind of like a low ticket one, but it seems useful. I mean, I have a cat, so I can kind of understand the struggle that she's facing, and people do love cats, so it's a very passionate niche and a very interesting product. I do like it.
Another thing that TikTok made me buy. I am really excited about this purchase. It is very unnecessary though. Now let's open it up. Are you guys ready?
What is it?
What is this contraption, you ask? Well, I'm about to show you. You will need a bottle of champagne or apple cider if you're under the age of 21. And yes, TikTok, I am over 21. It also didn't come with directions, so hopefully I do this right. Let's open up the champagne. I don't know why, but I always get super intense when I have to open up a champagne bottle. Well, I just choked myself. So I'm pretty sure you just put this on this, and I think that's how it works. Do you know what it is?
Oh my god.
Oh, shit. So I just googled how to put this on, and I'm a complete idiot and did it wrong. So we're gonna do take two. This little piece comes up to, yeah. All right, hopefully it works.
Dude, that is sick. That's really cool.
Oh yeah, it says a champagne gun.
Bruh, this is a winning product. Oh my god.
This is definitely by far one of the best purchases yet.
That's really unique. That's really unique. I actually really fuck with that one. That's funny. 2.3 million views. I guess it's not as viral as it could be, but I think it's because of the ad. Like, she kind of dragged it on a little bit and she kind of messed it up a bunch. But wow, that's really interesting. This one has 18 million views right here. It has copyrighted music, so I can't use it, but we'll still take a look at it. Oh, okay. I've seen these. So it's just like a flower soap. Kind of interesting. I mean, you could find this without any sort of labels or like any sort of branding. You could find these literally unbranded for 27 cents. I mean, really it's just the bottle, and you could put any sort of soap in there, I guess. But that's super cool. And then you could add some really cute branding. 27 cents per bottle. That's crazy. So you could get 1,000 for like 200 bucks. That's insane. Awesome. Awesome. I actually really like this one. It's just cute. Like, a lot of these products don't necessarily solve a huge problem, but they're unique and they have a wow factor, and like that's the stuff that sells really impulsively. And if you're just beginning your e-commerce journey, these are kind of the perfect products to start selling. I mean, once you get more experience, right? Like as you get more experience, you'll be able to sell basically whatever, you know, you find value in. So then you can start tackling some maybe passion projects. But just to start, I would recommend you just try to find products that are unique, that you think people would impulse buy, just so that you start learning how online sales even work. I mean, there's a ton of content on YouTube, I will say, that will show you every step of the way. So I am kind of aiming to inspire you more than anything, more than just like hold your hand through this process, because I can't really do anything for you, I'm not gonna lie. But this stuff is really interesting to me. I genuinely had a lot of fun just making this video and learned a lot that I'm gonna be applying probably today. But I guess we can look at a couple more. Okay, so this one is copyrighted music again. So let's see. Money well spent. That's what this lady said. Okay, so it's just a rubber ducky with some chains. That's pretty funny. So she got it on Amazon. I'm sure you can find this anywhere on AliExpress or anything, but this has 11 million views. This simple video, like it's not even that good, has 11 million views. I mean, it's a goofy product that literally is useless, but it just looks cool. I will say, I mean, if you want to build a really long-term business, you should try to find something that has value in terms of solving a problem. I mean, unless you're kind of going for like a clothing or fashion store, then you need to think about other things. Usually it is a bit easier to build a scalable business if you're solving some sort of problem. So something like this, even though I could see it going viral, I don't necessarily see it scaling too well unless you really know what you're doing. But that doesn't mean you can't make money with it. And that's kind of my point when I say that maybe these are decent products to start with, because you don't need to know a whole lot about marketing. As long as it's like unique and maybe cute, it will sell pretty well. And with TikTok, clearly you don't really have to have a huge marketing budget, because these things seem to go viral pretty easily, and TikTok ads are still pretty cheap as far as CPMs go. Like you can get like $3 CPMs. So this will take a little bit of work on your part. Like if you wanted to do this on your own, you know, I would recommend spending a couple hours even just browsing this stuff and getting ideas, not only again on product ideas, but also marketing angles and video ad ideas. Let's see, this is a classic product right here. This is a classic winning product. I've seen this product for years now, and this particular video though has 18 million views. So let's take a look. When I come home from work and lay on my spine board. I mean,
When I come home from work and lay on my spine board.
that's it. That's literally it. And it has 1.2 million likes and 17.9 million views. How ridiculous. Let's see what this brand looks like. Almost 30K followers, and they just make videos on this spine board. They did private label it though. So, you know, they went one step ahead of what most dropshippers would do. But very interesting, I gotta say. This is super cool. All right, guys, but this video is kind of dragging on now. And unfortunately, even though I would love to spend all day hanging out with you guys, I got a busy day today. I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you got some good product ideas. Now, lastly, this Friday, November 12th, we're finally gonna be releasing these prints. So perfect for your office, perfect little reminder to take risks. And you know, if you're not taking risks, you're actually risking it all. You really should be taking risks if you're trying to make it anywhere. And hopefully this will serve as a great reminder. A lot of people have been really loving the art, and this will be just kind of the first installment of this new e-commerce hybrid initiative that I've been talking about for Netsphere. So sign up for the launch in the description. And that's basically it. I hope y'all have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next one. See ya.